Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have to solve one very interesting question from Math Olympiad. Our target expression is ax power 5 plus by power 5. So let's consider this is required expression E. Now we will number our equations. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation number 4. Now we are going to multiply our second equation with x plus y. Let's check what will come out. So we'll write LHS of equation 2. Here it is ax square plus by square. We'll multiply with x plus y. In RHS we have 7. So we will write 7 times x plus y. Now we have to multiply term by term. Ax square times x, ax cube. By square times y, by cube. Plus ax square times y, ax square y. Plus by square times x, bxy square will be equal to 7 times x plus y. Now we have equation number 3, ax cube plus by cube equal to 16. So here we can write 16. From these two terms we can take xy common. So we will write 16 plus xy is common. We need to write ax plus by in the bracket. And in RHS we will write 7 times x plus y. Ax plus by is equation number 1, value is 3. So we can write 16 plus 3 times xy equal to 7 times x plus y. Now instead of writing xy and x plus y, let us assume I will consider here xy equal to m and x plus y equal to n. So our equation here will be 16 plus 3m equal to 7 times m. Let's say this is our equation number 5. Now we will multiply x plus y in equation 3 now. Similar way, we will write here equation 3 times x plus y. Equation number 3 is here. We will write LHS of equation 3, ax cube plus by cube times x plus y equal to 16 times x plus y. Now we will expand our LHS or multiply both the brackets. Ax cube times x, ax power 4, by cube times y, by power 4. Now cross product terms will be ax cube times y. We'll write ax cube y, by cube times x, bxy cube equal to 16 times x plus y. Now this is equation number 4. Value is 42. From these two terms we can take xy common once again and x plus y is n. So let me write here 42 plus xy is common. So in the bracket there will be ax square plus by square equal to 16 times x plus y. Now ax square plus by square is our equation number 2. Value is 7. So we will write 42 plus 7xy equal to 16 times x plus y. Now xy is m, x plus y is n. So we are going to write our sixth equation 42 plus 7m equal to 16n. Here we will write equation number 6. Now we have to solve equation 5 and equation 6. Now we have to eliminate variable m. So I need to multiply fifth equation with 7 and I need to multiply sixth equation with 3. Let's multiply 16 times 7, 112 plus 3m times 7, 21m, 7n times 7, 49n. Now sixth equation will be multiplied with 3, 42 times 3, 126, 7m times 3, 21m, 16n times 3, 48n. Now we will subtract second equation from first one. So 21m will get over. We will get minus 14 in LHS and n in RHS. So our n will be equal to minus 14, which is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is minus 14. Now we will consider our equation number 5. Let me write here 16 plus 3m equal to 7n. In place of n, we will put minus 14. So 16 plus 3m equal to 7 times minus 14. This will be equal to minus 98. In LHS, we will write 3m. We will take 16 to the RHS. We will write minus 16 over here. So minus 98 minus 16 will be minus 114. In LHS, we have 3 times m. Now we will divide both sides by 3 to get the value of m, which will be equal to minus 114 over 3 minus 38. And this is equal to xy. Now we have x plus y minus 14, xy minus 38. Let me write here. Here it is. Now we will consider our fourth equation and we will multiply both sides by x plus y. Let's multiply. We'll write LHS of equation 4, ax power 4 plus by power 4, and we have to multiply this bracket with x plus y. In right hand side we have 42 in equation 4, so we'll multiply 42 with x plus y. Let's multiply ax power 4 times x. We will write ax power 5. By power 4 times y. We will write by power 5, which is our required expression. Plus cross product terms, ax power 4 times y. So we will write ax power 4 y plus by power 4 times x. We will write bxy power 4. And in right hand side we have 42 times x plus y. Now we have x plus y minus 14, xy minus 38. Let's put over here. We'll take xy common from these two terms and here it is required expression e. We will write e plus xy is common. So in the bracket there will be ax cube plus by cube, which is our equation number 3. And in RHS we will write 42 times x plus y. This is equation number 3. Value is 16. Here it is. Now we have to write e plus 16xy equal to 42x plus y. Now we will put x plus y minus 14 and xy minus 38. So we will write our equation first. Let's put xy and x plus y. We will get e plus 16 times xy is minus 38 equal to 42 times x plus y is minus 14. We will write E 16 times 38, 608 with negative sign, so minus 608. And in RHS, 42 times 14 will be 588 with negative sign. We will get 588 over here. Now we will add 608 to both sides. So plus and minus 608 will get over. We will get here required expression E equal to 608 minus 588. So our answer will become expression E equal to 20. And this is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.